easily just be dead easy. There's that excess here, not a problem. See where it's been glass, it's, there you go, that comes off. Great, glass is great for soldering, great. Better than the rubber mats, withstands more heat, you can fire it on there, no, it's no problem. So you can either do this method, or if you don't have these, you can fire it in. Personally, I prefer using these, and if you want to get a really good connection, what you can do is you can pop it in your crocodile clips, and you can just bring it in. And you can, what you can do is add a wee bit of force, right, to both, because as you'll see, if you add a wee bit of force to each, you'll see this will work with your EC5 or EC8s or EC3s, same principle, dead easy. You know, obviously you don't need as much heat with smaller terminals, but you'll see this, hopefully you should see this wire moving slightly here, is because of pressure it's at. Okay, and I'm just going to, all I'm going to do is I'm going to use that hole there. I'm not even going to put any heat in it, just fill it up. Okay, this is not the neatest of jobs, guys, but don't worry about if you get in and outside or etc. As you can see it's starting to tarnish here. Like, that's not a problem. A bit of heat here. Just a wee bit of flux. You see the flame there sometimes because you ignite the flux. Now, simple. It's dead easy. Right, it's held perfectly. You're not holding something in, you've not got in. You know, if I was to, for instance, there we go, we'll take that off of here, and even if you don't have any crocodile clips or anything like that, but it's quite simple. You can get these off really quickly. Just a wee bit of heat. Don't worry about it, because what you want is you want a lot of heat in a less amount of time, because then it stops transferring through the wire and also transferring through the connection. And again, what you can do is, if you're applying it in this, give this, I like to give this a wee heat up, just prime it a wee bit. And like, this is how cold this terminal, that just shows you I can hold this. You know, it's and then what we'll do is we'll pop this in, because both are tinned, right? Look at that, as you can see, it's really simple. Be quick blow, as you can see. Reasonably good. Then if you want to go really in, it's not too warm, right? You can, I definitely prefer to fill these up. Just hold it there, set the wire to where I want to go, give it a wee bit. Bring some solder in, okay, and just And again, no heat, no need to go crazy. You'll see it just starting to flow, create a wee pool within there, goes shiny, and just feed it in. Now that's what we didn't want, but we're using some thin gauge here, right, because what happens with that, when that happens, we can create dry solder joints. We do not want things to move, so hence why the crocodile method is far superior. Or if you're holding this on top and you start to move as it's cooling down, you can create a dry solder joint, so then you're not creating a perfect connection. So again, I'm just going to heat this up. Right, I'm going to heat it up. It's found its natural position where it wants to sit. Right, and it's quite happy there, right, as you can see. And that's well. Just feed a wee bit more. And a bit of flux in there. A wee bit on the end, as you can see, it's just starting to pop it in now. It's just starting to fill up. I can see. Get that bowl off. As you can see, this tarnish is starting to take effect, but believe it or not, some of that is from the flux. It's not due to the heat. So we'll let that cool off. Again, quite happily, this, it's quite easy here. Now, a wee tip and trick. Alright, this is not perfect here, right, but that's not the greatest. A wee tip and trick that I find is, believe it or not, I don't have any here. If you give me 2 seconds, guys. Is if we get some heat shrink tube. While things are warm, well, okay, we've got a black tube here, right, but we're going to use a bit of red. It was the first time to keep in my hand. Open it up, close it over, drop it out the top, right, and initially we can use just a wee bit of heat off the thermite you've just made, just to start it, to set it away, and also that'll draw a wee bit of the temperature out of the connection as they're going along. So as you can see, it's starting to, and it's not warm, right? I mean, this is 120C heat shrink tube, and again, I like to just use the torch, just give it a wee blow down. You don't need to go nuts. Where lighter, when you use a lighter effect, what happens is, because it's not a blue flame, you've got a yellow flame, right?